Remember in 2008/2009 when Britney Spears shaved her head and started dating/seeing this alleged stalker or paparazzo named Sam Lufti? Well, in a strange turn of events, though not very out of left field, when you see the way these kinds of people operate, he's coming out of essentially nowhere and suing her. According to Sam, Britney owes him money because he was her manager, and I don't know how or what this has to do with the money for being a manager, but apparently, according to him, allegedly, her father has punched him on at least one occasion as well, and that might be a factor in this court case that they're in right now. Honestly, I'm saying this seems like it's really random and out of left field, because from what we all know as the public, it seems like it's been at least 6 years since Brit and Sam had any contact with each other. So Sam, why the sudden reappearance? Rent due? Child, talk about struggle. Apparently Britney seriously is super duper extremely uncomfortable around Sam, which, if you know, these claims of him being a sort of stalker slash someone who allegedly drugged her, it's really simple to understand where she's coming from with this. And in fact, a judge also understands where she's coming from. It's being reported that the judge ruling over this case has sort of ruled in her favor for certain things to help her feel more comfortable, or at least as comfortable as she can around someone like Sam. So for example, apparently the table that they're deliberating around is an extended table, and she is on one opposite end and he's on the other, so they have as much space as possible. It's also being reported that there are surveillance cameras in the room so that he can't try to intimidate her. And apparently the judge also said that they can't arrive or leave at the same time, so that you know, Britney and him make eye contact or like just contact in hallways and stuff like that, because it's really not something that she wants to do. She's super uncomfortable, allegedly, with Sam Lufti. So, and you know, like, all this stuff would make it seem kind of obvious to the average person that Britney is uncomfortable with him if it's all true. But for some reason, Sam is saying, oh, no, she's not uncomfortable with me. You've got this all wrong. No. She's uncomfortable with the fact that her father still has conservatorship over her. I don't know what a long table away from you, not being in the same hallway away from you, surveillance cameras in a room so that I don't have to privately talk with you, has to do with Britney being uncomfortable with her father watching over her estate, Sam. You know, can you help us figure that out? Because a lot of us are having a lot of difficulty grasping that. You're really grasping at straws with that right now, honey. You need to stop. Guys, how do you see this ending up? Do you think that Britney is gonna fight him until the bitter end, or do you see her breaking him off with a little bit of hush money so he could just shut the heck up and go away? I mean, he sounds like a pest that's always gonna be around, always gonna be trying to get like a little scrap of money off of her or the next person. Wasn't he rumored to be trying to do the same thing that he did with Britney to Lindsay Lohan? I'm pretty sure he was. Someone, if you remember what I'm talking about, link it down below, because I'm pretty sure he was also linked to Lindsay Lohan when she was like in a really low point at her life, which honestly seems like the majority of her life these days, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. So if you know what I'm talking about, please link it in the comments down below and let's chat about this weirdness. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe as well for more videos.